this is Sheetal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very interesting to show you all. It's not a regular fitness tracker, but it's a smart fitness tracker, and it can also measure your ECG and show you a graph of it. Generally, these trackers which can measure ECG are really expensive, but this one is a budget smart fitness tracker, and in this video I'll unbox it and show you a complete review of it. So let's get started with the video. So this is the box packing in which we get the watch. At the top it's written ECG watch. It's a smart fitness tracker. In the middle of the box we also have a picture of it. The smart fitness tracker is from Becky company and the model is N58. At the back side we have some product features. It will show us number of steps, calories burned, distance traveled, heart rate, ECG, sleep monitoring. It also shows message notifications. It has a sports mode, stopwatch, and also find my phone feature. Over here we have few QR codes for the watch, and at the bottom they also mention the color of the watch, and mine is yellow. That's it guys, it's a simple black box and there's nothing else written on it, so let's get started with the unboxing video. Inside the box we can see the watch on the right side, and there's a small accessories box on the left. Let me show you that first. So in the small box we get the charging cable and also an extra strap. Let me show you the charging cable. This watch has a magnetic pogo pin connector, so you just have to bring it close to your watch and it automatically attaches to it and starts charging. And this is the extra strap that we get in the box. It's really nice that the company is providing an extra strap so you can switch between black and yellow strap whenever you want to. It's a silicone strap, the quality of it is also good, and replacing the strap is also very easy. The watch is nicely packed in this velvet section. Let me keep it aside for now and show you what else we've got in the box. We also get an extra screen guard, and here's the user manual. Make sure to read it once as it has the complete information about the product. These are all the items that we get in the box. Now let me show you the watch. So here's the Becky ECG Smart Fitness Tracker. It comes with this nice yellow leather strap and it looks really elegant and beautiful. The build quality of it is also nice. There's a sticker on the screen, let me peel it first. So this is how the watch looks like. It has a stainless steel bezel and at the center it's written ECG watch. On the right side we have a multifunction button. There's only one button in this watch which looks like a watch crown. At the back side we have the heart rate sensor in the center. These are the charging contacts and these two are the ECG sensors. There's also a lever over here, you just have to push them and your strap comes off. So changing the strap is also very easy. This watch is IP67 waterproof, which means you can wear it in rain or also while washing hands, but you shouldn't soak it in water or wear it while swimming. Now let me turn it on and show you all the features of this watch. To turn it on, just hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds and your watch is on. It has a 1.2-inch IPS display with a resolution of 240 by 240. This is how the home screen looks like. It shows the distance traveled, number of steps, date, time, calories burned, heart rate, and also the battery life at the bottom. There are also different watch faces in it which I'll show you later. Now let me show you the different modes in it. Here it shows you the number of steps you've walked. This one shows you the calories burned. Here it shows you the distance traveled in kilometer. This is the heart rate sensor, and here you can measure your BP. It shows you both systolic and diastolic reading, and when you enter into this mode the sensor starts flashing in green. This is the special feature of the watch which is ECG. ECG means electrocardiogram, and it also shows you the graph of it. This one's the sleep monitor. Here it shows you the message notification. This one's the sports mode, and to enter this mode you just have to long press the button. There are different activities in it like running, jogging, skiing, cycling, table tennis, basketball, badminton and soccer. So depending on what you're doing you can select the mode and it will show you the heart rate, calories burned with timer. This is the stopwatch. To enter it, you just have to long press the button and then press it again to start it like this. To come out of this mode, again you have to long press the button like this. We also have the Find My Phone feature on it, so when your phone is connected to your watch, you can easily find it through this feature. Over here we can see the model name of the watch, Bluetooth and software versions, and you can also turn off your watch from here. Now I'll show you the different watch faces we get in it. To change the watch face, just long press the button like this. So we have 5 different watch faces and all are good, but I like the default one a lot. So those are all the different modes and features on it. I've already connected my watch to my phone and now I'll show you the app of it. The app you need to install is the Wear Heart app. I've connected it to my Moto G6 phone and this is how the app interface looks like. Over here it shows you how much target you've reached in percentage and the number of steps you've walked. Here it shows the distance traveled and calories burned. It also provides a detailed information of each and every day. This is the sleep monitor. It shows complete information like sleep time, deep and light sleep, stay up time and much more. Here you can check the heart rate. It shows you sleep average heart rate, average, high and lowest heart rates and everything. In the health section, it shows you the heart rate variability scale, heart rate, BP and ECG measurements in detail. It shows you a detailed report about your health and gives you a health advice like this according to your report. You can also check your ECG graph over here. In the care section, you can search for friends and add them if you have any. In the mind section, it shows you whether the device is connected or not. In the user settings, you have to enter all the details about yourself and can also log out from here. Here we can set the target for number of steps you want to walk daily, and over here you can set the sleep target. In device management, you can turn on or off hourly heart rate monitor. If you turn this on, your device battery will drain faster. There's also a race to wake feature, SMS and call reminder. If you turn this on, then only your watch will show you messages and call notifications. In more reminders, you can select the app from which you want to get notifications. You can set alarms and also change the time format and units according to your convenience. And at the bottom, we have reset, firmware updates and can disconnect your device from here. This is the Shake Snapshot feature, and if your watch is connected to phone, then you can take a picture just by shaking your watch like this. That's really cool. If you press Find Device, then your watch starts vibrating. And in the operating instructions, we have app version, FAQ and feedback. So these were all the different features of the app. The app interface is very simple and easy to understand. Now I'll wear the watch and show you. This is how the watch looks when I wear it. It's pretty and looks decent. It's suitable for both men and women. I'll show you the race to wake feature of it. You can see it's pretty fast and accurate. Now let's test the heart rate sensor. Once you enter the mode, it starts testing and when it's done, the watch vibrates. So it's showing the reading as 84. Okay, now let's test the BP monitor. You can see guys, it shows both systolic and diastolic reading, and once it's done, it vibrates just like the heart rate sensor mode. It's showing the reading as 129 by 83, and all these readings will be stored in your phone so that you can check them later. Now let's test the special feature of this watch, which is the ECG. This feature doesn't start once you enter the mode. You have to first long press the button and then it starts. You can see it's not showing the readings properly. That's because of poor connection. So let me just press it against my skin. Yes, now it's showing the reading. I don't know how far these readings are accurate, so don't rely completely on them guys. Once it's done, the ECG graph will be sent to your phone. In Find My Phone feature, when you long press the button, your phone starts ringing like this. This is a really useful feature. Now let me show you the message notifications. So this is how it shows you the notifications. It displays the person's name and number of messages we get. You can check them later in the message section like this. It also shows you the complete message. This is how we get the call notifications. It shows you the person's name but not the number, and you can reject the call by long pressing the button like this. Charging this watch is also very simple. Just bring the cable close to the contacts and it will automatically attach itself to the watch and start charging. Coming to the battery life is good. It has a 200 mAh battery and the charging time was about 2 hours. It worked continuously for about 5 to 6 days and has a standby time of 15 days. So that was my unboxing and review of this Bakey Smart Fitness Tracker. The build quality of it is really nice. It looks stylish and decent, and it also comes with a unique ECG feature for a budget price. It's also IP67 waterproof and it costs about 3,500 rupees, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. So that's it for today guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next one.